Right guys, we're back again. Show you where I am, guys. That's the when I got in. So check this out. Been wanting to get in here for time. That's just boiler room, look. I'm gonna make it quick because I can hear an alarm. I'm not sure if that's for me. Check this out, guys. Wow. I'm not going to tell you where I am, guys, but I've been wanting to get in here for a long time. It's just cupboard space. I think this has been alarmed up for a while with sensors and things. That's all the underground bit. Let's go into the main bit. Hopefully that door's open. Oh, what? Check this out, guys. Check this out, man. Big basketball court. Check it out, guys. That's where I've just come from. Alarms are going off. Just no in there. Right. Spots on. Right. That's upstairs. Check it out, guys. Swimming pool. Check it out. Wow. Insane, guys. This was a bonus. Check it out. Let's go up here. Changing rooms. Look at this, man. Locker's still there. Wow. That's mad. That's what ladies change, you know. Toilets. Toilets in here, guys. I'm sure I saw some stairs going up, but looking up there, you can't really see. Insane. So this is an old sports centre, guys, and swimming baths, obviously. Let's get out of here. That's where I came in, I think. Come on, let's just check this door. I think it's just the boiler room, guys. Alright, guys, let's get out of here. We don't get seen. Alright, guys, we're out. I'll show you the building from the outside, guys. That was a quick one. That was totally unexpected, guys. And there it is. There it is, guys. Wow. That's a bonus little video for you guys. Did not expect that. So don't forget, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.